Hello everyone. What I'm selling is this beautiful table, anodized aluminum, for definitely for a milling machine. I checked, it's not have any problem. Actually, I use a seam which is less than 2,000 of an inch, and I use my scale, and if you see, I don't even hold it and it's not passing through. It's not passing. It's not passing through even in this direction, if you can see. So it's very flat, very nice. I want to try to put this in this way. You could see, I mean, it's really flat. Anyway, it's a very large, very smooth surface. It's got a little kind of inside, you maybe notice kind of dust or some particle that you may can see them between those white part, which is aluminum, is like a powder or something. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, it's not affecting anything. The other side is actually the same thing, but this side is still nice and clean. Just a little bit of finger marks and stuff like that, you know what I mean? But this is probably the part that you need to use as a top part. The good thing about this is built already in thread with the screws. I wanna leave the screws because it's I believe it's a metric, and I wanna leave the screws in both ends. That way you're able to build your profile in this direction. Whatever you need is threaded already, so I gonna left the screws in, or maybe remove them for shipping, but I gonna include it. So the length, this piece much better than millimeter.